took a bike an hour north through the Bronx to get here where I'm at right now, which is right next to the Bronx Zoo. But today I'm meeting my friends Rachel and Aaliyah to hang out at the New York Botanical Gardens. And I've been to the Botanical Gardens recently, once before, to check out the art exhibit that they had there by an artist named, I'm gonna get the name wrong, Kusamu? Something like that. Very cool. A lot of like very trippy pumpkins and really cool kind of funky bright colored objects, but I didn't get a chance to check out the rest of the Botanical Garden. So today we're gonna explore all of the grounds, get all the parts that I missed the last time. I'm gonna show both of those to you, and then we're gonna check out a cool Bronx night market. So let's spend a day in the Bronx. Well, we found this cute little trail going into this very small path and feels really cool. Woo! I'm not supposed to go this way, but I'm just gonna take a quick look-see. Here at the Botanical Garden that I didn't get to see the last time was this waterfall, which it's a little waterfall, but it's still beautiful, especially in the middle of New York City. The Rose Garden, which actually has roses. I thought they might all be dead, but they're still alive. And this really nice gazebo thing. So we've been here a few hours now and I'm getting kind of hungry, and we passed by this edible garden. I don't think you can eat anything. There's some kale, they have tomatoes. It is beautiful, and it is definitely making me hungry. I like it though. Are these like corn stalks over here?
Is that sugar cane?
Oh, sugar cane, even better.
Yes.
So we spent a little over like 4 hours walking around the Botanical Gardens. So five if you count the hour we were eating. Maybe it was 30 minutes eating. I had a big pizza and a sugary drink, and I'm feeling kind of tired, but we're headed towards the Bronx night market before we give up for today. But I think I'm gonna sleep well tonight with all that physical activity. Some snacks here at the night market. I got some tamarind agua fresca. Which is nice and sweet. And I'm really excited about this hangry dog. It's like one of those Korean style hot dogs on a stick. This one is potato and mozzarella. I'm really excited to try it. Oh my God. It's sweeter than I expected. So savory. You can definitely taste the potato. I got full mozzarella, but I probably should have gotten half and half with a hot dog inside. I didn't understand the options. So I got another beverage, even though I probably don't need more sugar. This is guava juice served in this plastic light bulb. Only $5, not bad. Good morning, nomads, and welcome back to the very northern outskirts of the Bronx. I am back here to visit the Bronx Zoo. It's been many years since I visited, and I recently learned that on Wednesdays, the zoo is pay what you wish, which could be free if you wish. And you can get a time ticket online, so you don't have to be embarrassed if you don't want to pay anything, and then just show up. I hear it gets a little crowded, but according to Google Maps, it's not more crowded on Wednesday than it is on the weekend. So I'm excited to see the zoo and finish exploring the Bronx before I'm not in New York anymore. So let's go. This time I took the Metro Rail North commuter train because it's the easiest public transportation way to get from my house up here. Last time I biked and I walked, and it was so exhausting. I want to save some of my energy for the zoo, so I'm gonna have lots of energy, and then maybe I'll bike back. Welcome to the Bronx Zoo. I think one of the best zoos in the world, and it's a beautiful day for it. They asked me for my vaccination card so I can get a wristband to go indoors anywhere, which is good. Although, oh, look at this! I've never seen so many talkative sea lions in my life. They go in that little cave and they make sounds, and the other ones are so curious. And then sometimes the one in the cave even sounds like a cow. It goes like moo. Oh man, what a way to start the day. wandering around lost in this Africa section because I wanted to see the lions. I have a vague memory of seeing the lions here and them looking really majestic and close up, so we'll see if that memory serves me correctly or if I'm thinking of another zoo. I think the middle of the day is probably the worst time to try to see lions or tigers because I think that's when they hide in the shade to nap. Probably want to come like early in the morning. So I got to the zoo right when it opened and it was nice then. There was barely any people. But now I've been wandering around for like 3 hours. It's starting to get pretty crowded. All the big cats are sleeping and I think it's time to go home. I hope you've enjoyed exploring the Bronx with me. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my adventures, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when new videos are available. Until next time.